Yun.
Kakawain sa
Pandaran mo. Putol.
Sino pa maaral?
Ikaw na wag di.
Oh.
Ako mo kayo.
Hindi minsan. Hindi ako ginagaano.
Instant. Ararugan kami guys. Usog duman. Nakos na si Nicole mag-assignment. Palit kita daw siya.
Masa ka mo nang gusto sa
Boleh. Palit kita lisan.
Di mo ini nagtitin. Magsari na kita ng The friendly cat. Read the text, the friendly cat. Then answer the following activity by filling out the chart.
Did you?
And giving text and the use of this. The friendly cat. Once upon a time, there was a friendly cat named Whiskers. In a cozy house with his loving owner. This says every morning. Whiskers would wake up early and stretch his furry body. He would then dust the kitchen, where Mrs. Jenkins would make him with a warm smile and a bowl of fish mess. One sunny day,